decisions. Because of time, I will leave it there for tonight. Lakini mimi niko na maneno. Niko na maneno. Sasa, nataka mjipange tukutane. Ndio tuongee. Because I am very passionate about the future of Kenya. And we must make the right decisions. We must make the right decisions. Because this country, our transformation has been delayed for far too long. We can turn around this country in record time. And I know you as young people, you should be able to see where we want to go, and we should be able, across party lines, to see how we can change our country. This evening, I will be going to Italy for the meeting of the G7. Kenya is not a member of the G7, but we've been invited, 2 presidents from Africa. And because we are discussing 2 very fundamental subjects, artificial intelligence and climate change. Both subjects have a huge bearing on young people. And the president of UAE will be in that meeting because between UAE, Kenya, Microsoft, we are setting up the largest data center in Africa of $1 billion in Naivasha, and it will be driven by AI. That is the negotiations we had in America when I was there. And that is the future. And I'm very happy, I was very happy to hear here that members of KYPA are already figuring out the digital space and the artificial intelligence space. This morning, I got a brief from the envoy that I have appointed on artificial intelligence, Mr. Thigo from Kenya. Because we cannot afford to be left behind again as a country or as a region. We must be on the table as we discuss regulations, legislation that is going to manage AI going into the future. So I hope again we will find another opportunity to sit down and have this conversation. Otherwise, I wish you well.